how are you? I hope you all are doing great today. My name is Renu Rathi and today we will be learning our very interesting topic, that is money. Now in this chapter we will learn about what we have learned earlier, the unitary method, cost price, selling price, and how to find the SP and CP. Now let's start with around the world the currency way. Search and find the currencies of as many countries as you can. So here we have to find the currency of respective countries. So here is our currency ruble. That's how you have to complete the remaining ones. Now let's start with the unitary method. When we go to buy or shop some articles, we ask the shopkeeper for the price, and the cost of one article help us to find out the cost of number of such articles would like to buy, and this method of calculation is known as the unitary method. Now if the cost of number of things is given, then we can find the cost of any other things or similar things. Now firstly we have to find out the cost of one thing, and then we will multiply the cost that is to be calculated. Now which is better by Hemanta pays 40 rupees for 4 oranges or pays 35 rupees for 5 oranges. Here we have to find the unit price and then compare the price of 1 unit. So here 1 orange cost her 10 rupees and here 1 orange cost her 7 rupees. That means 5 oranges for 35 rupees is a better buy. So Hemanta used the unitary method to find the answer. Firstly she divided to find the unit price and then multiply to find the total amount. Now let's understand it better with the help of example number 1. One pen cost 8 rupees. Cost of 7 such pen is 7 into 8, that is 56 rupees. Now in example number 2, 8 pencil box cost 160 rupees. How much does Priya pay for 2 pencil box? That is, firstly we find the cost of 1 pencil box, that is 20 into 2, that is 40 rupees she has to pay. Now in the next one, how much Ajay pay for 9 pastries if 4 pastry cost 120? 120 divided by 4, that means 1 pastry cost 30 rupees, and 30 into 9, that is 270 rupees for 9 pastries. Now let's look at mental math. We have to fill in the blanks. The cost of 5 liter of milk is 125. Cost of 2 liter milk is, for this we will divide 120 by 5 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, multiplied by 2, that is 50 rupees. In the next one, exercise 9.1, the cost of 12 dolls is this. 1 doll will cost, so we will divide it by 12 and that is 90 rupees. First part is the correct answer. That's how we can solve the remaining part. Again we have to solve the word problem. The school fees for 4 months is 1260. Find the annual fees. That means firstly we will find the fees for 1 month divided by 4 and then we will multiply this by 12. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Now project work. Mona, Kapil and Shreya went for a trade fair. The collection of money with them is rupees 650, but Mona adds 300 rupees by choice. Shreya buys a scarf from a fair stall of rupees 200 and then each of them enjoy ice cream of rupees 50 each. Now what amount will left with them? We have to find the expression for money spent and solve for left amount. That you have to do it by yourself. Now next is cost price and selling price. So Mohan, the shopkeeper, has buy diyas for Diwali as a wholesaler from a wholesaler, and he bought them for a rate of 5 rupees per diya. He will sell these diyas at a customer price of 7 rupees per diya. For Mohan, the cost price for diya is 5 and selling price is 7. So basically cost price is the price at which shopkeeper buys article and selling price is the price at which shopkeeper sells article to his consumers. So profit or loss. If selling price is greater, that means profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, and loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Now let's look at example number 4. We have told that Ravi bought a table for 740 rupees and paid 150 rupees as a transportation charges. He sold it for rupees 1000. Did he earn a profit or suffer a loss? So cost price of a table is this. Expenses on transport is 150 rupees and the selling price of a table is 1000 rupees. So the profit that he made is 110 rupees. Now in example number 5, Dinesh made a profit of 57.5 rupees on selling a pair of gloves for 225 rupees. What was the cost price of the pair of gloves? So for this selling price, for finding the cost price we will subtract the selling price minus profit, and the cost price is 167.5 rupees. Now Amit bought a bag of sugar for this much rupees and sold it for 128 less. That means he has suffered a loss. So what was the selling price? So we will subtract the loss, and the selling price is 1097. Now by selling a sofa set for 3550, shopkeeper earned 650 as a profit. So what is the cost price? So for this we will subtract selling price minus profit. That means the cost price is 2900. Now let's look at exercise 9.2. In the first part, we have to look at the cost price and selling price and find the profit or loss. So in the first one we have done. In the second one, cost price is greater than selling price, that means loss. And how much loss is there? We will subtract 228 minus 115, that is 8 minus 5, 3, 113 rupees. Rupees 113 loss. That's how you can complete the remaining parts. Now always remember, sometimes we use the term gain instead of term profit. Both terms have the same meaning. Now let's start with finding selling price and cost price. Now finding selling price, if there is a profit, then selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. Finding cost price, so cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. Now if there is a loss, then selling price is equals to cost price minus loss, and cost price is equals to selling price plus loss. Now let's look at example number 8. We have told that Rajinder bought a camera for 2750 rupees. He sold it for a profit of 300 rupees. We have to find the selling price of the camera. So cost price is given, profit is given, selling price is equals to cost price plus profit, that is 3050 rupees. Now we have told that Kumar sold tomatoes for 20 rupees per kilo at a loss of 1.5 rupees per kg. Now what is the cost price of a kg of tomatoes? So selling price 20, loss 1.5. Cost price will be selling price plus loss, that is 21.5 rupees. Now for example number 10, we have told that Rahul sold onions for 60 rupees per kg at a profit of 10 per kg. So selling price is 60 rupees, profit is 10 rupees. Selling price is equals to cost price minus profit, so selling price is 50 rupees. Now let's start with exercise 9.3. In the first part, we have to find the selling price. Cost price, the profit has made. So we will add both the terms. 5 plus 5 is 10. Is there any loss? No, there is no loss. 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 12, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. So that means the selling price is 3220 rupees. That's how you have to complete the remaining parts. Again here we have to do the same thing. Here we have suffered a loss, so that means you will subtract 600 minus 35, you will get the cost price. In the next one, a spoon is sold for 15 rupees at a loss of rupees 7. Its cost price is, for finding the cost price, we will subtract 15 minus 7. So 12, 13, 14, 15 minus 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means he has suffered a loss of rupees 8. Now let's look at the horse. We have to solve the word problems. We have told that the cost of 4 mugs is 80 rupees. Each mug is sold as a profit of 5 rupees. What will be the selling price of each mug? So that means one mug cost is 20 rupees. So the cost price is 20 rupees. He has made a profit of 5. That means selling price is 25 rupees. And for each of the mugs, 25 into 4. That's how we can solve the remaining part. Now always remember, in unitary method we will first divide the unit price and then we will multiply the total amount. Cost price is the price at which shopkeeper buys article. Selling price is the price at which shopkeeper sell article. Now if selling price is greater than cost price, profit. If selling price is less than cost price, then it is a loss. Now think tank, we have to take the correct option. The price of a number of objects of the same kind is found by none of these. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Now in the next one we have to fill in the blanks. 3 sharpener cost 12 rupees. What is the cost of 1 sharpener? Rupees 4 is the cost of 1 sharpener. That's how we can solve the remaining part. In the next one we have to find the cost price. Selling price is 500 minus 31 10, 9, 4. So it will be 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 469 is the cost price. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Mental maths, we have to write the CP and SP on the blanks. Here we are told that Sunil buys bats at a rate of rupees 125 per bat and sells them at a rate of 150 per bat. That means he has earned a profit of 25 rupees. That's how you have to complete the remaining part. Now next is our activity zone. A shopkeeper bought a chair for 250 rupees and sold it later for 275. He made a profit of 25 rupees. Hots, Rimu and Anu together have 100 rupees. Rimu has 10 rupees more than Anu. What is the share of each? The share of each is one has 10 rupees more than the another one. So that means one has, if one has 45, the another has 55 rupees. Now I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again.